Hi, this is Tim Queenie, editor of Ocean Navigator magazine, and today we're talking with Dave Hoare, the owner of New England Fiberglass, about butyl glazing tape.
What we have here today is 3M butyl tape. It's made to install car windshields. Well, we primarily use this material on all bedding of hardware of boats. I've been using it for approximately 10 years or so. I believe CNC Boats has been using it for years on their hull and deck joints and their grab tow rails. We can use it on any type of hardware, whether it's cleats, metal, wood. It really doesn't matter. It's easy to use. It takes extreme temperature changes from stainless steel to, say, fiberglass without shearing. And I think it's a very useful item to put on boats. All right, what we're going to do is put down 3M butyl window weld. It comes in 3 different sizes. The reason for the sizes is the size of the part. This part here, we're going to choose 5/16. We're not going to use the full diameter though. I'll show you real quickly how we can put it down and how easy it is to use. I'm going to guess that's 8 inches. We probably only need about 4. It's easy to break off, doesn't make a mess. You can just stretch out a log. Apply it to about 1/4 of an inch from where your part is going to set down. If you got too much, just make the turn. Then what I'm going to do now is actually, this is just simulation. We're going to put something around the bolt hole and where the wires go through. While I'm applying this, always keep in mind, any place you think that water might go in, you'd want to definitely make sure everything's going to be sealed, and I'll show you how to push it down in a minute. Here's another spot where water can enter. We want to put an area around this also. The whole area does not need to have a bedding compound put down. You can if you wish, but most people don't. In this case, I don't think it's necessary. Now we're just going to push this down with our fingers and flatten it out. As you can see, it leaves no mess. Try that with any other compound. You'd have stuff all over you. It will harden up with time, but it still stays soft. But if you made a mistake and you need to take it off, you can still just peel it off, just like this. And it leaves zero mess behind, which is another great option. No rags involved, no thinners involved. And there you have it. This product is unlike other bedding compounds. Other bedding compounds come in a tube. They're expensive. If you just want to fasten one bolt to a boat or 2, you usually got to buy a whole tube. And even if you bought a short tube, it's still expensive. You might use enough to bed 4 holes, and then the next time you grab the tube, it'd actually be hard. This product here, you can just leave it sitting in a cardboard box. 3 years from now, it'll still be in the same condition it was in prior to you taking it out of the box. The other thing it does, it's a lot more viscosity than you'd find in a tube. The tubes, especially with summer heat or things like that, different temperature change, the viscosity gets thinner, and then when you actually tighten the part up, the compound actually squishes out from the pot you're trying to put down by the torquing of it. This product is a lot more viscous. It doesn't do that. It stays flexible. The other good idea about using this product is it takes temperature changes well. If you get a car windshield that's minus 10 degrees and you put your defroster on, obviously there's a big temperature change. And it's the same thing that happens to a boat. You got fiberglass, you got stainless steel. The two temperatures are not going to rise at the same, and you have flexibility in a boat also. And with that being said, you're going to have a sharing effect to any type of compound you use. So the stainless gets hot, the fiberglass stays cold, they share, and the boat's moving, you're going to have a leak. So I've found using this product that we never have any leaks anymore.